Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert a cross symbol to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a PDF file and I'll insert cross symbol to this PDF file. Click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this fill and sign option. Select this one and this is a cross symbol icon. Click here and put your cross symbol into place and see this. Here you can change your cross symbol color. Also I'll put this cross symbol here and change this cross symbol color. You can increase decrease this cross symbol size if you want and see this. In this way you can put cross symbol anywhere and any place and finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.